Insert fullness into a pattern piece using fullness grad SP or fullness without grad SP. Both of these macros function in a similar way, only the grading is treated differently. For this example, the macro fullness grad SP will be used. To prepare, a few construction lines have been created inside the piece. The macro will use these incisions to add fullness. You could use the macro create lines with ratio to prepare the pieces for fullness. Start the macro. First, a stationary element of your main contour needs to be selected. The center back is used in this example. This editor appears, allowing you to set your fullness value. Two values need to be entered here, separated with the spacebar. Starting from your stationary element and moving clockwise, the first value will be used on the first end of the construction lines, the second value on the other end. The entered values 0 and 0.8 determine that no fullness is added to the collar seam on the left, but a total of 8 millimeters of length is inserted into the outside length of my collar. Select the incisions. Using the right mouse button, you can select multiple lines, clicking the last one with the left mouse button. The macro now calculates the extra length and adds it to the individual sizes. Once the macro has finished, you can delete the construction lines using a right click.